welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe at home. My name is Nikita, and for today's video I'm going to share with you all how I achieved this makeup look right here, where the focus is mainly on the eyes. Basically I did soft smoky eyes, and I'm really happy how this look has turned out. Also, I think you must have seen many of the Bollywood celebrities getting this sort of a look, but I have to say this, that I've seen actress Kriti Sanon getting this kind of a makeup look most of the time. So I was like, why not do a Kriti Sanon inspired makeup look, or you can call it as celebrity inspired look. And also, if you are new to my channel, or if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do subscribe. It will really mean a lot to me. So yeah, having said that, without any further ado, let's get started.
Now the first step is skin prep. You should prep your skin really well before you actually use makeup. I've already washed my face, and now I'm using this toner. This is from Plum. This is the Plum Green Tea Toner, and this is mainly for combination oily acne prone skin. Also, you can use toner on a daily basis. You can kind of add it in your daily skincare routine. It kind of minimizes the appearance of your pores. Next up, I'm using this lip balm from Nivea to moisturize my lips. After that, it's time to moisturize the face, and for that I'm using this Pond's Super Light Gel. This is a gel based moisturizer. So the most important thing is you should choose moisturize according to your skin texture, whether your skin is dry, normal, combination or oily. If you're combination to oily skin type, then you can go for this kind of a gel based moisturizer. So I've taken a generous amount of this and I'm applying it really well, also massaging it so that it gets absorbed into my skin completely. Next, I'm using sunscreen. This is the Lakme SPF 30 sunscreen, and honestly I was not I was confused whether to add this step or not, because I've seen many makeup artists not applying sunscreen underneath the makeup. They say that it kind of oxidizes and it changes the color of the foundation. But anyway, since this is a daytime look and I had to apply sunscreen underneath the makeup, and also I know my foundation, it's not going to betray me, I know that, so I just applied it. Next up, I'm using a primer. So the primer I'm using is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. This is the Blur Plus Smooth Primer, which means like जो भी open pores है उसको blur out कर देगा ये primer, and also it gives kind of a smooth base so that the foundation sits on beautifully. And while applying this, I'm focusing the product mainly on the T-zone area जहाँ पे open pores ज़्यादा होते हैं. Now this is an optional step. अगर आपके पास है then you can apply this. अगर आपके पास नहीं है then you can totally skip this step. This is a liquid highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild. As you can see, I'm applying this on the high points of my face, and it kind of gives kind of a dewy glowy finish to your skin, which I totally love. You can also mix this with your foundation, but I don't like that it sits जहाँ पे आपके open pores है, it sits on your cheeks and it doesn't look good. Next up, I'm using this foundation. This is Lotus Pro Edit foundation. I'm in the shade Walnut in this particular foundation, and it is a perfect match to my skin. First, I'm applying this on my face dot करके, and then blending it with a beauty blender, a damn beauty blender. मैंने इसको बिल्कुल भी कट नहीं किया है. I didn't edit the video. You can just see how beautifully it blended into my skin, और बहुत अच्छे से blend हो रहा है, and it's a perfect match. बहुत अच्छे से it is sitting on my face. Next, for concealer, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer to conceal my dark circles, basically to hide my dark circles. Also, I'm in the shade Medium Beige in this concealer. As you can see, I'm applying it on my dark circles under my eyes and blending it with the same beauty blender. Now जो अभी हमने कंसीलर लगाया था उसको सेट करना पड़ेगा, and for that I'm using this loose powder. This is from Stay Quirky. You can get Stay Quirky products only on purple.com. So I don't know, I'm not sure, but I bought it from purple.com, and yeah, I'm applying it जहाँ पे मैंने concealer लगाया है, so that the concealer will not move from its place. Now with the help of a brush, I'm applying it on the other parts of my face, just a little bit, not much because it's not required. Now it's time to do the eyebrows, and then to fill them I'm using this Sephora Mixology palette. I'm taking this dark brown shade to fill my eyebrows. So what my issue with my eyebrows is, one eyebrow is very different from the other, so I take my own time to fill them because I don't want one to look different from the other. Now जो सबसे फर्स्ट का पोर्शन है, I had not filled them. Now it's time to fill them. और मैंने बिल्कुल भी प्रोडक्शन नहीं लिया है. I'm just taking the brush, जो पहले का ही प्रोडक्ट बचा हुआ था. I'm just with the help of that I'm filling them. Now here we come to eye makeup, and I'm going to explain you in the simplest way possible. First of all, I'm taking this brown gel liner. You can also take brown kajal if you have. मेरे पास नहीं था kajal, इसलिए I'm taking this gel liner and applying it not too thick but also not very thin. Precise नहीं होना है because at the end we are going to smudge it. Now I'm taking this pointed brush and I'm going to blend it out. ऊपर तक नहीं जाना है, बस blending the edges. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild contouring palette and इसमें से I'm taking this contour shade and applying it on my eyes with the help of a blending brush and also blending it with the same. This is like a transition shade, and after this I'm going to go in with another darker color, darker than this, to create like a gradient effect. Also I'm taking this way up there. I'm taking it till the brow bone. Next I'm taking this dark brown shade, darker than the previous color, darker than the contour shade, and applying it on my lid. First of all I'm going to apply it and then blend it out. So mainly smoky eyes requires lots of blending, तो मैंने बहुत ही blend किया है इसमें. As you can see, बहुत ही अच्छा gradient effect आया है. First था contour shade, second था dark brown shade, and now I'm applying kajal. एक पतला सा thin line draw करना है, and after that I'm going to smudge this as well. Very simple, very easy eye look. So once I'm done applying kajal, I'm going to smudge it using this small pointed brush with the help of this dark brown shade. Also I'm doing it until I'm happy with the with the look the way I want it to be. Also I'm creating like a soft smudged look. That's why I'm smudging the kajal and also now repeating the same on the other eye as well. As you can see, you can compare both. Smudge करने के बाद बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. Now I'm taking this black shadow क्योंकि वो जो मैंने काजल लगाया था उसका इंटेंसिटी थोड़ा कम हो गया था स्मैच करने के बाद, और मुझे थोड़ा डार्क डार्क चाहिए था अपना काजल, तो इसलिए यू कैन डू दैट और यू कैन लीव इट एज एज इट वाज. द लुक इज ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट. लोअर लैश लाइन में बाकी है. एंड नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द सेम कॉन्टोर शेड, एंड जो मैंने एक पहले ट्रांजिशन शेड लगाया था आई फेल्ट कि वो बहुत लाइट हो गया, सो आई एम एडिंग इट. एंड इट्स टोटली अप टू यू. यू कैन ऐड और सब्सट्रैक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, अकॉर्डिंग कि आपको कैसा अच्छा लगे. यू कैन ऐड और सब्सट्रैक्ट एनी टाइम. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू डू द lower lash line. First I'm applying kajal on my waterline and also I'm tight lining my upper lash line. Now I'm going to smudge the kajal and I'm using this brown shadow to smudge it, and also I'm joining the outermost corner, extreme corner. I'm creating like a V. Also I'm not taking the kajal to the extreme innermost corner because अगर वो करेंगे तो your eyes tends to look small and droopy लगेंगे. Now जो मैंने काजल लगाया था lower waterline पे वो थोड़ा intensity कम हो गया था. I think one side पे थोड़ा मैंने काजल कम लगाया था, so that's why I'm taking this black shadow to make the intensity same.
Bye bye guys. Mahabharat time.
I'm taking the same contour palette which I used earlier. I'm going to contour my face first of all on my forehead because वो foundation लगाने के बाद बहुत white हो गया था. So yeah, I'm creating shadows on my face. That's what contouring is. Also under the cheekbones. I'm also contouring my nose. Also you need to blend it really well. I'm using my fingers to blend it so that there are no harsh lines. After that I'm taking this blush from Faces Canada, and honestly मैंने ये लगाया तो I didn't like the effect of it that much, so इसलिए ये लगाने के बाद I switched to my all time favorite sugar face palette से I took the blush shade and applied it. So with blush I like to apply a lot of blush on my cheeks. बहुत healthy लगता है. And after that I like to apply it on my nose as well so that it doesn't look like just red thing on your cheeks. On the sides of my forehead and a little bit on the chin. Next I'm using this mascara. This is from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and coat my lashes. Also this is a waterproof mascara which I honestly do not prefer on an everyday basis because it gets difficult to remove. I like regular जो washable kind of mascara for everyday basis. Now time for my most favorite part, that is highlighting my face, and that too with one of my most favorite product, that is this highlighter from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I am highlighting the high points of my face on the sides of my forehead as well to balance everything out, and also I am highlighting the bridge of my nose, also blending it really well on the inner corner of my eyes, on my brow bone, and also a little bit on the chin. Now time for lipstick. I'm taking this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nude Dream and apply it on my lips. Also while doing this, electricity chala gaya tha, as you can see, but you know, I just wanted to turn on the camera and show you my makeup. Look at it, how glowy and dewy it looks. The makeup turned out really good. Also अभी electricity आ गया है and look at it, मैंने lipstick लगा लिया. उसके ऊपर I added one more lipstick. This is the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. Yeah, my makeup is complete. Now let me change my dress and I'll get back to you. Bye for now. Yeah, I've changed my dress and now it's time to do my hair. I'm taking this Himalaya protein hair cream. This, you know, this has kind of a body lotion kind of consistency. Since I have naturally straight hair, thank God, you know, I have straight hair. Yeah, and I don't need that much of straightening. So I like to apply this on the lower parts of my hair जहाँ में dryness ज़्यादा होते हैं. And also I'll comb my hair after that. So yeah, I'm just, you know, taking the contour shade again and just adding a little bit of that contour shade on my eyes and also on my lower lash line. Yeah, my makeup is complete and accessories is also done. Now let me straighten my hair a little using the Nova hair straightener which I got from Amazon. So just मैंने front part पे ही straightening किया. So yeah, the video is done. I'm happy with the look. Honestly, I'm really happy with, you know, how this look turned out. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching till the end, then thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.